Hello everyone, today I'd like to show you how to write hello in Chinese. In Chinese we say nǐhǎo, nǐhǎo. Nǐ means you, hǎo means good. So literally it means you good. This is the way we say hello in Chinese. Nǐhǎo. So as you see that these two characters, they are of the third tone. Nǐhǎo. But when it comes together, it becomes the first character becomes the second tone, ni, instead of ni, and the second character it remains as the third tone, hao. So instead of being pronounced as ni hao, it becomes ni hao, ni hao. So this is the way we say hello. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.